In this video, I will show you that if the image that you have received in WhatsApp application is not showing in Gallery Android, then what you do? First, open WhatsApp application, then tap on three dot icon at the top right corner. Here, go to setting and then go to storage and data. Now you have option here media auto download, and there are three more options when using mobile data, when connected on Wi-Fi, when roaming. So you have to select each of these option and make sure that you have to selected photos. Okay, same goes to Wi-Fi photos and okay. Then you have to go back to these chats. Here and there is an option media visibility. Make sure that it is enabled so that the downloaded media such as photos it will appear in the gallery. That's it.